at Turning Point SAS Student Action Summit, and we're really honored to have a very important figure in our modern history here, James O'Keefe from Project Veritas. And if everybody knows already that he's come up with some of the most incredible undercover videos exposing, I guess, the war on the right in the United States. Is that a good way to put it?
Well, I don't think it's a war on the right. I think it's they're targeting people for exposing information, and they're tampering with reality, to quote George Orwell. It's the facts are the facts, and they like to call me a right-wing activist, but I just sort of report on corruption, and even if it's in the Republican Party.
Well, and you're right, but what's going on now when you have the Fourth Estate, siding with certain factions of the government, it's kind of Pravda-like, right? If Biden winds up in office, we're not going to be able to trust anything. They'll be like the press secretary for Biden, right? So I think what you're doing is so critical. Your Google executive undercover videos exposing them, driving down traffic to conservative sites, admitting they want to defeat Trump. And then you're like General Accounting Office employees and the State Department and DOJ, people working within the government as democratic socialists. I mean, those were really important moments, I think, in our modern time. There's not many people like you who have been, doing that. It's incredible.
Well, we have to keep exposing them, and I think they fear exposure more than anything else, and they don't often tell the truth on a podium or a press conference, and our media works with people in the government instead of to report on them. They have a relationship with them, and we need undercover work. We need more people to expose them.
Yeah, and we always know that, or always knew that the media is biased, right, and generally biased, right, and we know 94% of the articles have been against Trump. But I think what's going on today is sinister, and it's a really incredible time. So tell us, what was the significance of your interaction with CNN recently?
Well, we got access to the 9 a.m. call from an insider, and we recorded the calls for 2 months. We had a brave insider actually come to us, and there's a chanting here. And we got access to all the phone calls, and he recorded everything, and I live streamed my call into Zucker.
Right.
And the president of CNN, I think you have it there on the screen. I think you could actually hear him defecate himself when he found out that we were.
Right. It was incredible.
When we recorded him on the 9 a.m. calls.
Yeah. So where do you go from here with that? Did anything come of that?
Yeah. Well, we released a few recordings where they were talking about not covering the Hunter Biden story. The guy was very micromanagerial inside the network, and you could kind of see that they're politically driven, the network.
Right.
So we released that, and we have more tapes that were coming out every day until Christmas. I call it the Advent calendar.
That's super. So I've been following you for a long time, and we spoke over the years a couple of times. I always like when you launched your book, American Pravda, you were basically saying that it's the people's responsibility to get involved and maybe to join Project Veritas and get out there. How do you see recruitment for your organization? And do you see, I know you're like one of the most popular people at Turning Point and the Student Action Summit. Do you find people are gravitating towards Project Veritas, and are you finding people willing to go undercover and get involved?
Much more. We have 250,000 messages that we've gotten in the last few months from people all over the country that want to do something, and they're all activated, they're ready to go, they need some direction, they need some leadership, they need to be unafraid.
Yeah,
I think people are mostly afraid of what will happen to them and their jobs and their livelihoods, and some brave souls like Richard Hopkins are willing to give it all up. They're willing to blow the whistle on the Postal Service for the public's right to know, which is a very brave thing to do.
Yeah, it's really important that we have more of what you're doing, because again, there's not many people who are doing what you're doing or as successful as you've been doing it. So listen, we're going to be paying close attention, and please keep us apprised of what you got going on. And we're big supporters of Project Veritas. I think there's a handful of people in this country. There's like the John Solomons, the Sarah Carters, the Greg Jarretts. There's only people that have been exposing corruption, exposing hoaxes. But you've really gotten to the meat of it. So I want to thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
All right, everybody. James O'Keefe from Project Veritas at Turning Point Student Action Summit. We'll be back with more for you.